Have you seen believers that the moment the likes of Chivhayo, when they started giving out cars and cash, the prosperity preachers have become conspicuously quiet about receive your money and receive your car. You should say it's true, Apostle. How many pastors do you still hear now saying, receive your car, receive your money? Huh? Those from Guruve and those from Mzarabani, they are quiet these days about receive your car. It is because it is now shameful to declare a car when someone is not declaring a car. He is just saying, go and see Victor. You see, believers, we know Chivhayo to some extent is being used by God to demonstrate that the so-called literacy prowess of Zimbabweans is a hoax, it's a ruse.